Hey guys, welcome back to another quick assist video. Please like or subscribe if it helps. Now, today I'm going to be showing you how to screenshot. All you have to do is push this right button right here and then the top volume button at the same time. Now, once you do that, it allows you an option to go ahead, open that, and you can edit. You can either adjust the size of the photo, or you can even go and edit right here, and then this will pop up. So this allows you to maybe erase or highlight. I'll go ahead and demonstrate. So say it's the text right here, I'm highlighting this, or I can actually go ahead and circle whatever I want. So if I'm sending this photo to someone, I can go ahead and say, hey, this is the app I'm talking about. And then after, you can go ahead and push this, it means share, and then you can share to your friends. Once you're done, go ahead and push that. And then all you have to do, it tells you to save it. So go ahead and push save to photos. And then once you open up your album, the photo will be in there. Okay guys, so I hope this video helps, and please like or subscribe. See you next time, bye-bye.